wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best engine model kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Wooden City V8 is different from most in that it boasts a wooden construction rather than the usual metal and plastic. It comes packaged attractively in a box made from the same material, giving the whole kit a solid, high-quality feel. No glue is required, and it can be finished in about 2 hours. However, it really is more puzzle than model. At number 9, be sure to block out a solid chunk of time before starting the Airfix 1876 4-stroke, because this realistic version has plenty of pieces to keep you busy. It doesn't come with any paint or painted parts, which also adds to the required investment of effort and cash. It does include cutouts for visibility, and the skill level required is 2 out of 4, but note that it doesn't actually run. Coming in at number 8 in our list. For younger children who have limited patience and minimal hand-eye coordination skills, the King of Toys Overhaul set may be the way to go. It is a toy, but it arrives with plastic tools and hardware for removing and adding some of the pieces, which makes pretend play more realistic. It comes in at a budget-friendly price with a handy storage bag. However, it seems small at just 10 inches tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for engine model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Haynes Build Your Own is a diminutive 4-cylinder internal combustion model. Its see-through plastic housing allows the observer to watch all the inner workings of a motor, offering an easy understanding of the same type of engine that powers so much of our world. It makes realistic ignition sounds and is easy for most kids to build alone, but it feels flimsier than many. Moving up our list to number 6. Steam engines may not be that common today, but they were a revolutionary technology when first invented. The wilesco D5 takes you back to their glory days and illustrates the principles by which this amazing invention worked. It doesn't require any soldering and starts running in just a few minutes. However, it is on the more expensive side. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the Porsche 911 Flat 6, you can create your very own 1/4 scale model of the motor that powers one of the world's most recognizable high-performance automobiles. This comprehensive set includes more than 280 components. It runs on AA batteries and includes text and diagrammatic directions, but note that it's too complicated for most youngsters. At number 4, this Revell Visible V8 helps you create and simulate a working 8-valve engine, much like you might find under the hood of a powerful truck or sports car. The set features a sturdy rubber fan belt and vinyl ignition wires. The parts move via hand crank and come in a see-through housing. However, there is a lot of flash to remove. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Hawk Dodge SRT-8 puts a 1/6 scale replica of a powerhouse in your hands. It's crafted to demanding specifications, so every component matches its real-life counterpart, which makes it a thoughtful gift for any automotive enthusiasts. It includes durable die-cast parts and a display stand. All the components are pre-painted. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for engine model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you will know you built the Trends UK Haynes V8 correctly the moment its throaty ignition sound reaches your ears. Then just sit back and watch the illuminated spark plugs flash as this plucky little built-to-scale motor fires away. It comes with multiple chrome-plated pieces, an automatic shut-off, and clear step-by-step instructions. And taking the top spot on our list, this handsome elenker mini hot air stirling is not only amusing and easy to build and operate, but it looks great as a decoration for your desk or shelf once completed. Its basic design makes it a good introduction to mechanical engineering. It works as a cool paperweight and is powered by heat. It's equipped with non-skid foot pads on the base. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for engine model kits, or simply click beneath this video.